Hi guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing. So today we're discussing how to make your first deposit to your broker account. In the last few episodes we've discussed how to select your broker and how to actually set up your account. And in this video we're going to quickly guide you through the process of making your first deposit onto your broker account. It's going to be a short and sweet talk through, and we're going to guide you through the whole process of making your first deposit to your broker account. Let's go. So before we make our first deposit to the broker, it's of course important to understand what a broker is and why we need one. And a broker is actually a service provider that allows you to trade stocks of different companies on the overall stock market. And that's what a broker allows you to do. So we've linked down in the description two different videos. One of which is on how to select your broker, and the other one is on how to set up your account at our selected broker. You can find both of these videos linked down in the description. So if you also want to start investing, please use our link down in the description, which allows you to start investing at DEGIRO, which is also the broker that we are currently investing from. So let's start up our broker app or website, depends on what you prefer to use. In our case, we use the website just for the convenience of it. So that's the first step. And then you need to select the deposit your money option. It depends on the broker that you use. In our case, it's a very easy push of a button which says deposit your money. We press that button and that allows us to go to this screen where we can see if we want to make a deposit or actually retrieve the money from our account. Well, in this case, we want to deposit our money. So we pressed on the deposit button, in this case, inboeken. And afterwards, we have the selection of two different options. So we used Ideal, which is a way of directly transferring money from your bank account. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn investing, subscribe to get more free investing and finance tips and tricks. We give you easy to follow, straightforward suggestions on how to start investing and improving your portfolio. Like the video if you learned something new today, and comment down below the topics for the next video. The next step that we need to take is to select the amount of money that we want to deposit into our account. As we've discussed previously, we are going to start off with 100 euros each month. So in this case, we've manually entered the amount of 100 euros. At our platform, you can go up to a maximum of 50,000 euros for each deposit. They have some different set options here, but you can actually select the amount that you want to deposit on your own. So we've entered that amount right here. Then we selected the bank account and we continued with making our deposit. We then needed to confirm the payment, in our case with a debit card. You can also use a credit card, of course, but in our case we used a debit card. We used Ideal for this payment, so that's a direct transfer of money. It's transferred into your account within a few seconds actually, so that's very fast. Then we closed the screen to confirm that the deposit was made into our account. As you can see right on top of our screen, we now have 100 euros deposited into our account. Please note that the 0.01 euros that was already in our account was due to the confirmation of setting up our account. So in our case, there's now 100 euros available for trading. In the next video, we'll explain to you and guide you through the process of actually buying your first stock. So that's going to be in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching. We know it was a short one, but we quickly wanted to guide you through the process of making your first deposit into your account. Now you can actually start buying stocks, which you'll see in the next video. So thanks for watching, like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment down below any questions that you might have when setting up your account and when making your first deposit. See you in the next one, guys. Let's go.